My name's Chris. I'm owner-operator of Vineyard View Window Cleaning, and we're based out of Napa, California. So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a window professionally. The reason I like the Ettore aluminum series is it's lighter in your hand, it's comfortable in your hand, and it's got that right amount of pull work if needed. And then the pros, I being a professional, like to use the brass one. It's a little bit heavier. It feels a little bit more solid in your hand when you're getting ready to clean a window. The size squeegees that you can purchase are an 18-inch, 16-inch, 14-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, 8-inch, and 6-inch. Depending on the size of the window you might have, choose accordingly. You can't go wrong with the 16-inch. It's always going to fit in almost every single window. So the next tool that I'm going to show you is the washer. In the industry, we call them a T-bar. These are long-lasting and reusable. What I like to do is I like to wash my washer at least 3 to 4 times a week. This is a 14 by 14 inch microfiber. They have the microfiber side on, they have the microfiber on one side, and then they also have the absorbent side of the towel. I've noticed that these have been great for when I'm detailing around the window, and it's also great for cleaning screens as well. It does pull dirt out, not like a terry cloth towel. This is what you're going to want to have. This is what makes a window clean. The reason I like to use the Squeegee Off in comparison to using dish soap, this gives you the maximum glide. This has been designed to keep a glass clean. When you're using dish soap, basically what you're doing is you're maximizing the amount of slide you get off your squeegee, but it's going to attract dirt onto the windows 3 times faster than if you were to use the super concentrate Squeegee Off. I also like to use this as well because you're able just to throw it in your bucket and replace your water throughout the day. That's one of the things I like to do as a professional, but as a consumer or as a homeowner, 1 capful per gallon of water should make its way through your house. The 3.5 gallon bucket. As a professional, I do use the 6.5 gallon bucket. I will typically run about 2 to 4 gallons of water depending on the property I'm at. But again, as a consumer, this is going to be the perfect fit for you.